Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day. For today, I'm going to be sharing the new dies for March for Coco and Reno. And for March, we have basics nesting cutting dies. And you get 3 different sets. And you get one here with a square shape with rounded corners. And all of these are 3 inches for the biggest of the dies. So this is a 3-inch square here, and then I believe this one's 2.5, and then 2 inches, and 1.5 and 1 inch. So they go down from there, and you also get a set of tag-shaped ones and circles. So again, the circle is 3 inches, the biggest circle, and the tag is 3 inches from top to bottom. So those are the 3 different sets that you get this month. And I did create a little mini album using the square dies, and I did use the largest, so it measures 3 inches, and I think it turned out cute, and it came together just so quick and easy using the dies. And for this white glittery piece here, I did use the next size down of the square tags, and then I just layered one of the cut aparts from the paper collection, and it just kind of was barely fitting in the next size down, so I just used a corner rounder to round the edges, so that's why it has like a bigger rounded corner. So it was just because that cut apart was just kind of a little too small, so I had to use a corner rounder. And then I also layered up some balloons here on the spine and added some bling. And I used 1 10-pound cardstock for the cover, and the pages I just did the pattern paper back to back. So it's pretty sturdy. And I'll just flip through so you can see the pages. I used another like notch cutting die that I have to create a little pocket here, and added some tags. So this is the second to the largest tag here, and then another little die that I have that looks like a paper clip with a bow on it, and here a little cut apart with a cake. For this one I used a little I cut out a little notch to create a pocket, and used another one of the nesting dies to create a little like a photo mat that goes in there. And over here I used that same little notch cutting die to add a little slit there going diagonally, and I cut out a couple more little tag shapes here. And these are really cute. I think they can be used for journaling, and added some little flowers and bling. And then I used one of the circle dies here to create a mat for a photo, and just added a couple of little stickers that came with the paper collection. So it's a cute little mini album, I think, and it will hold about 8 photos all together, and I think it would be cute to mat them down to the 2.5 size for the photos, and then you can use the tags for journaling. So I think there's room for some cute little photos and journaling for this little mini album. So that's what I created so far, and I do have some more projects I'll be sharing on Instagram. So I'll link everything in the description box below if you want to check out the dies and the subscription. You can visit coco&reno.com. And they do have options to subscribe monthly, or also for one-time purchases for some of the other sets that they've had in the past. So that's my little mini. I hope you enjoyed the project share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.